Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs not dry. Achieving perfectly creamy scrambled eggs starts with the right preparation. First, whisk your eggs thoroughly in a bowl. Add a small splash of dairy, like milk or cream, to the mixture. This simple step helps create a richer, more tender texture. Remember to cook your eggs over low to medium-low heat, never high, to ensure they cook evenly and gently. The secret to truly moist scrambled eggs often lies in the dairy. For every 2 large eggs, incorporate about 1 tablespoon of your chosen dairy. Whole milk, half and half, or even heavy cream are excellent choices, each adding a slightly different level of richness. Don't forget to season your eggs with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper before they hit the pan. This ensures the flavors are well distributed throughout. Now let's talk about the cooking process itself. Use a good non-stick pan and a flexible rubber spatula. Pour your egg mixture into the preheated pan over low heat. Stir constantly, gently scraping the bottom and sides of the pan to create soft, fluffy curds. This continuous motion prevents the eggs from sticking and drying out. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they are just barely set. For that final touch of perfection, remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are still slightly wet. Stir in a small pat of cold butter. About 1/2 tablespoon per 2 eggs works wonderfully. This cold butter instantly stops the cooking process and adds an incredible velvety finish. Serve your perfectly creamy scrambled eggs immediately on warm plates to enjoy their optimal texture and flavor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.